Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be talking about one of my favorite closed-ended funds. This is something that Jeremy is not really talking about. He's not into it. He's just not aware of it. Maybe, I don't know. Jeremy doesn't go into this. I'm on the Guggenheim website. That's not really working. Wow, it's totally not working. Well, doesn't matter. Let's go to where I'm looking at the closed-ended funds. So we have Guggenheim. We have Advent Convertible and Income Fund, Fiduciary Claymore Energy Infrastructure Fund, Guggenheim Taxable Municipal Managed Duration Trust, Guggenheim Credit Allocation Fund. We have Guggenheim Strategic Opportunity Fund, Guggenheim Enhanced Equity Income Fund, and Guggenheim Energy and Income Fund. Of these funds, I am very heavily invested in one of them. The fund that I appreciate the most and the fund that I like is Guggenheim Strategic Opportunity Fund. This one right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can zoom in some. There it is. So whatever I see, you guys should be able to see. So the current stock price for GOF is 1804, and they say their distribution rate is 12.11%. That's pretty accurate. What you're going to find out is why I love this fund right here. Let's go to their fact card real quick. I have it open right here. So they've got this going all the way back to June of 2007. I'm not going to be able to zoom in on this anymore. I've already got it to full page. Anyway, the objective of the fund is to return a maximum total return through a combination of current income and capital appreciation. We're going through some of the details. Market price $16.90. That's on June 30, 2020. That's not significant right now. Average volume. So we have 185,000 shares on average. This is not a very liquid fund. You're going to have to pay what the seller is asking for to get in. But this fund doesn't go up and down that much all the time. It's a very small market fund. I'm really hoping actually right now that my YouTube channel doesn't go up, because this fund is insane. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it or not, but I absolutely love this fund. So what they have is a distribution per share of 18 cents, 0.21 or 0.1821 cents. Current market distribution, leverage, expense ratio, inception price. So yeah, it started at $20. That's fine. It's depreciated some, but you'll see why the lower price does not even matter at all. Email, ticker. So it's showing its returns. It's not really doing all that great in terms of market price. Okay, let's take a look at GOF, their top 10 holdings. They have bank loans, they have ABS, high yield corporate bonds, non-agency mortgage-backed securities, investment grade corporate bonds, equity, strategy, municipal bonds, military, housing bonds, cash and cash equivalents, repurchase agreements, preferred stock, private placement, and then other equity, FX forward, CMBS traditional, CMBS. I own NRZ, IVR, and MFA. CMBS is mortgages. So they have some mortgages, and then they also have some derivatives. So that's some good information right there. top 10 holdings. So their biggest holding is only 2.25% of the fund. Sorry about that. The window's open. It's hot. I just want to keep the window open about a little bit. So first key, revolving trust. Okay. Then they have some money that's out with Morgan Stanley. They have some Delta Airline bonds. They have some Boeing bonds. AESF. Yeah, I'm not really sure what that one is, but it goes out to 2024. This goes out to 2050, 2025. So there's a certain amount of time where these will be paying out. Viacom, CBS, BlackRock, Taxable Municipal Bond Trust. There's just the places where they have their money. BP, they have a little bit there. VBS1 issuer, I'm not sure what that is. Dial Capital Partners 3 issuer A, again, I'm not sure what that is. I think that's pretty much about this end of that page. Yeah, I'm not really, it's just a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo, you know, the legal jargon stuff that they got to put in here. Down here it says you may lose money, not FDIC insured, not bank guaranteed. Of course, your investments. Let's go to why I still haven't revealed why I love this thing right here. So we go here, Guggenheim Strategic Opportunity Fund. Today's price 10,720. Closing market price 1804. I don't know what that is. I'm not directly invested with them. I'm sure that's like a little bit of a discount if you go directly with them. So that's probably what I don't know. I don't want to say something that I don't know. Let's see. We went over the portfolio. I don't care about performance. Not caring about that. Not caring about prices. Let's go to distributions and tax info. This is actually the real deal right here. Let's see. Distribution payable 1030, 1821, 930, 1821, 830, 1821, 731, 1821, 631, 1821, 529, 1821, 430, 1821. So they're paying monthly that 1821. And what happened in this country between, see if I can get this just right. Yeah, April and March. The price fell on the stock itself, but they kept paying out. So they didn't lose out on anything. I actually bought, well, I regret this, but I ended up selling some, but I bought in everything that I sold and then some more. It was too stable of a position. Some of my other positions had gotten way too much of a better deal. So I had to sell out of this one, even though it's an amazing dividend payer. And I went ahead and went into the other funds. All right, it's pointless for me to go, but basically you're seeing here every single month that 1821, they've been paying out. This is February 28, 2019. It goes up to 8 pages. I don't know if you can see that, but let's go to next. Can't possibly be 1821 the entire time, can it? 1821, 1821, 1821, 1821, 1821, blah, 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 blah. Oh, we're at May 15, 2017. They've kept it steady. Let's go to the next one. Let's see. Same. All of these look the same. We're at August 14, 2015. I mean, August of 2015, basically. They've still been paying that same dividend. That's remarkable. Let's go to the next page. I don't see any difference. Yeah. November of 2013. That same dividend. And the stock price, check it out. It was $20.36. The stock price was 19. The stock price was 19. it's always hovering around the $20 mark, and you're always going to be getting that $18 dividend. 18-cent dividend, right at about 10, 12, 14% dividend. Let's go to the next page. All right, so we're all the way down to 2013, October, same. Boom. Right here, April of 2013, their dividend was lower, so they've increased the dividend. I don't know what that means going into the future, if they're going to increase the dividend again, or if they're going to keep it the same, or what's going to happen. It looks like they had that 16.9 cents for only a little bit, and then it was 15.4 cents, and then it looked like it was that for a long period after that. We're down to 2010, folks. 15 cents. It is 2008. Didn't change. What kind of a company is able to do that? You tell me what kind of a company is able to do that through 2008, 2009. All right, let's go to this next page. Yeah, and it looks like it's been 15.40 for a good while. Down to January of 2008. And then before that, I guess this is when it started, 2007, September. So at that point, it started the fund at $14.2 cents. Guys, this is an amazing purchase. If you're gonna start a new investment account, if you're gonna start investing, I recommend building your first $1,000 buying this alone. This fund will take care of you. It'll show you the compounding effect so quickly. At $100 a month, you buy 5 shares, you're already getting $1 returned, like pretty much almost guaranteed. 18 cents times 5, that's 90 cents. It's not exactly $1, but I mean, you're not exactly paying $20 for the share. It's at 19 right now, I think. Where is it? It's at 18.04. So, you know, you could do the partial shares. I don't much care about that. If you're gonna buy stocks, buy the whole share. It's $18. It's not that much. Some more information about Guggenheim. Apparently, this company is really proud of some stuff. Let's just go over it. Sustainability. Our commitment to sustainability and ESG. I guess that means they're going to be doing good for the environment. If you want to read some of this stuff, that's fine. For me, there's just mumbo jumbo. It's not going to make a difference. There's their person in charge, Scott Minard. Doing what is right for our investors is also doing what is good for the world. Are tightly interlinked. Yeah, that's good potential. Let's not spend too much time there. Firm overview. So Guggenheim Investments has $220 billion in total assets. So 220 billion, is that all in GOF? No. GOF is extremely small. It's tiny. It's like $500 million. It's not close to $1 billion. It's not going to be close to $1 billion. That's why I don't want this to blow up, because if more people try to buy into GOF, that's not going to make GOF as attractive as it is right now. So, let's see. They're not exactly the biggest firm, but it looks like they're pretty proud of what they have. Firm overview, firm heritage. Let's go over this again real quick too. Milestones. So this looks like it's a family company, the Guggenheim family. They've started in 1881, apparently. They were in some mining. More mining. What does it say? It looks like rocketry. Some print. I don't like scrolling this way. Yeah, I guess they do have a museum. I'm in Los Angeles, so we have the Guggenheim Art Museum. I didn't know if it was these guys or not. I still don't know. I really don't care. I'll go visit the museum at some point in time. But essentially, if you're in investments, what you care about is our products, closed-ended funds. So what's funny about closed-ended funds is if you go through to Robinhood, you'll see that they're in a little bit of a situation. I kind of wish I could open up my Robinhood without giving too much away. I don't want you guys to see everything I have in there. Let's see. I'm going to do something that's kind of ghetto, but this is the way it's going to be. Right, that's my hand. Just ignore it. I'm going to open up my Robinhood real quick. So I'm going to go portfolio. Just jump right into GOF. All right, let's bring everything back. Ignore that, please. So when you go to Robinhood, you're all like, oh, let me find out some information about Guggenheim. Let's see what they have. Okay, so they've got a little bit on the CEO. Volume, again, it's not that high. Price earnings ratio, market cap, history. Oh, I guess you're going to find out a little bit about what I have. That's my purchase price. That's how many shares I have. 210 shares, I guess. Oh, I thought it was 300. Anyway, let's keep going down. Where's the part that I'm looking for? Show more. So look at that. Dividend yield. It's blank. That's the part that was important. Let me zoom in on that a little bit more. I don't know if the dark screen is going to help out. So dividend yield, it's totally blank. Robinhood doesn't know what's going on there. It looks like there is actually quite a bit more money in here right now. It's 804 million. Again, it's still relatively small. I wish I bought it at this time, but you know what? At this time, Tesla was a better deal, so I couldn't really put too much into that. Anyway, I hope I opened your eyes to something new. I hope you guys are interested in this. If this is something that you like, this is something that you appreciate, is something that is helping you out, then you can go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. It looks like I've been reinvesting the dividends, so that's cool. Okay, I had to edit the video, so it's probably been cut from right here. If you're interested in Guggenheim, if you like what you see here, what I can also suggest is a few more closed-ended funds, a few more companies that you might want to look into. There's PIMCO. I'm not really a fan of them, but they do exist. There's Investco. You could also look into them. You could also look at a company called Calamos. They will all take care of you, kind of. You always have to be careful. Always look at the history. Always see how they've performed. Always see what's going on. With something like a closed-ended fund, you're able to better predict what's going to happen. I really like the fact that it's monthly. I have a few that have been monthly, and they've been doing really good for me. So we'll dive deeper into some more of my investments later, and I really want you guys to like and subscribe and let me know what you guys think, what you guys want me to cover. Something that's different from what most of the other channels are talking about. This is pretty much a guaranteed 12%. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you it's guaranteed 12%, but I'm here. I'm in it. I like it. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to buy into this. Guys, new channel, growing. Help me out. Like, subscribe. Tell somebody else to watch this channel. Tell someone who's new on Robinhood to get into GOF. It's something that's safe and stable. They don't have to worry about losing their money. And it's going to grow for them. It's gonna, if you enable dividend reinvestments, it's going to be amazing. I'm going to do another video about what I think about Robinhood and what's going on with that. There's a few articles out there. CNBC is trying to do some stuff with them. I don't know if I'll exactly cover the articles or show you the CNBC videos, but we'll go over CNBC and what they're saying about Robinhood. And well, I hope to see you guys next time. I hope this content's good content. Anyway, thanks. Bye.